Every year, students and professionals lose up to 1,400 hours just on paperwork. They spend 2 to 4 hours every single day on administrative tasks. 55% of students even walk away from opportunities entirely because of this. With student loans, most just take the first offer they see without any comparison and negotiation, which is precisely how you end up at $1.7 trillion in student debt in US alone. We did not rely just on assumption though. We conducted primary market research across 92 students. Over two-thirds reported spending more than an hour on every single administrative task. 89% expressed clear interest in an AI assistant to automate the process, and 78% indicated willingness to pay.
The global AI agents market is projected to grow from around $5 billion in 2024 to over $45 billion in 2030, expanding at more than 40% annually. At the same time, billions of people interact daily with government portals, service providers, subscription platforms, and financial institutions. Yet, personal administrative execution remains largely manual. With over 5 billion internet users worldwide, even capturing just 0.1% represents millions of potential users. Through a subscription or performance based model, this creates scalable, recurring revenue within a rapidly expanding automation economy. We provide a centralized AI powered platform that fully executes complex administrative and service based tasks on behalf of users. Instead of navigating multiple portals, waiting on hold, drafting formal emails, or coordinating repetitive follow ups, users interact with a single interface while the system performs the entire workflow autonomously. The platform can automatically submit government and service forms, manage subscription cancellation, refund requests, handle bill disputes, and customer service negotiations. It can also support structured loan comparison and interest rate optimization. By shifting from guidance to execution, we remove friction at the operation level, transforming hours of manual effort into streamlined, automated processes that deliver measurable time savings and financial efficiency.
When it comes to our first target, student loans, most borrowers accept the first offer they receive. They look at the interest rate and stop there. But loans are defined by more than a headline number: compounding frequency, total repayment cost, hidden fees. Form Pilot provides a side by side breakdown of lenders, calculating the true lifetime cost, not just the advertised rate. Even a 1% reduction in interest can save thousands of dollars over time. We don't just help students apply, we help them make financially intelligent decisions.
Form Pilot is built on a software as a service model, which means our product lives in the cloud, scales forever, and generates recurring revenue every single month. Students pay $5 a month, and at 250,000 users, that translates to $15 million in annual recurring revenue, with almost no additional cost to serve each new user. Beyond subscriptions, when Form Pilot connects a student to a better loan or financial product, the lending institution pays us a referral fee. So, we're earning on every successful match we make. When we partner with universities, we onboard thousands of students overnight through a single institutional agreement. And when we negotiate savings on a user's behalf, we take a small percentage of what we recover, meaning we only profit when our users do.
We operate in a blue ocean segment by focusing on execution based AI for individuals rather than competing in a crowded information or comparison markets. Most platforms provide options. We complete the task itself. The shift from content delivery to action creates a strong competitive moat. By integrating automation with transparency and secure authorization, we build trust in high impact processes while reducing friction, increasing completion rates, and driving scalable long term growth.
We simplify the process that connects people to opportunity. We reduce confusion. We reduce wasted time. And we improve financial decisions. Less friction, more completion. That's Form Pilot.